Hello, welcome to MAC2233, Calculus for Business and Social Sciences. I am your professor, Professor Al Grocha. I want to give you a quick overview of your Canvas course so you can start looking around for this course, but please let me know if you have questions at any time. So on the front page of your course, notice you have your course schedule, which will list when things are due. So for example, the first 3 things will be due on Wednesday, January 12th. Your introduction assignment, your syllabus quiz, and connecting to MyLab. We'll be using MyLab for your homework and quizzes, and there is a free 2-week trial that you can get started right away. Then Appendix A, Chapter 1, you can read through when all the deadlines are. Also, you have your grading scale. So here it shows everything that we have in the course and all the point values, totaling up to 1,000 points in the course. There's a lot of assessments and a lot of ways to learn the material and prove that you know the material to earn your grade. And then notice on the home page, you have where you'll start, which is to start here. This is where you'll learn about the course. You have your welcome, meet the instructor, the schedule, the grading sheet, the classroom policies, student support, Canvas, and MyLab information. And then again, the first 3 things you'll do is your syllabus quiz, your get to know each other discussion, and connecting to MyLab. Each one of these has detailed instructions, but if you need any help, please let me know. And the way the course works is you will start by going to each section, and each section has resources to help. So for example, if we go to Chapter 1, it goes to Chapter 1 modules. Notice that the course is set up to learn first and then take your assessments. So under the Learn section, you'll see that there is a little video introduction for this one, the competencies, your link to your ebook. You have PowerPoint lessons if you'd want them, some additional notes if you'd like them, but then the videos are where you'll learn the material. I recommend the Zoom lecture videos, but you can get the same material 3 other ways. There's quick videos and there's like sitting in a classroom videos, but your choice, but learn the material first. After you learn the material, and things are still loading, then you'll go to the next section, which is the assessment section. And in the assessment section, every chapter has a homework, quiz, and a creator problem. Again, once you link to MyLab, then this will go directly to the homework, directly to the quiz, and this will go to your creator problem. Again, detailed instructions here. Please let me know if you have any questions. And under the syllabus, you have a full syllabus you can read through here, my schedule, and also I have student engagement hours. So they're listed here with the Zoom links. But if they don't work for you, you're welcome to contact me. There's a help resources document here. You can contact me through Canvas. There's my office number and also a Google phone number you can text or call. And it gives you a nice quick overview here when everything is due under the syllabus. But again, welcome to the course. I'm excited to have you in this course. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.